Hello friends, welcome back once again. Today's video will be about the 2025 Honda CR-V model. In this video, you will learn about the cheapest and most expensive prices of this model and which version is the best choice to buy. Most importantly, you will learn about the pros and cons of the 2025 Honda CR-V model. If you're ready, let's get started. 2025 Honda CR-V. Compact crossovers like the 2025 Honda CR-V are in high demand due to their comfortable seating, good fuel efficiency, and easy parking. Honda's entry into this competitive SUV market has earned it a place at the top of our list, as it also offers agile handling in addition to its practicality. With front or all-wheel drive and a 190 horsepower turbocharged engine, the non-hybrid CR-V offers reasonable power. We will review the 204 horsepower hybrid version separately. While the Mazda CX-50 offers more luxury and the Ford Bronco Sport has more off-road capability, the CR-V stands out as a more versatile vehicle thanks to its smooth driving dynamics, solid build quality, and well-balanced infotainment features. For these and other reasons, we included the CR-V on our 10 best trucks and editors' choice lists. What's new for 2025? There are no significant changes to the Honda CR-V for the 2025 model year, and in this case, the lack of news is a good thing. Exterior design. Ready to take on bigger challenges. The 2025 CR-V boasts a rugged design with a long wheelbase and wide stance. Available features like roof rails and a hands-free access power tailgate give you the versatility to tackle all kinds of adventures, from crosstown to cross-country. Sport styling. A large gloss black grille lends a forceful character to the front fascia, complemented by details like the Sport Touring Hybrid exclusive Platinum accent lower bumper. Gloss black alloy wheels. Hybrid trims feature gloss black alloy wheels, giving them a dramatic presence to match their electrifying driving dynamics. LED headlights. Dual low-beam LED headlights provide bright, distinctive illumination with the convenience of auto-on-off functionality. Profile. A powerful stance, accentuated by a sporty roofline, brings the rugged look together from end to end. LED taillights. Vertical taillights have been a hallmark of CR-V design since its inception. The latest look brings a modern edge with an instantly recognizable LED pattern. Dual chrome exhaust finishers. Dual chrome exhaust finishers round out the sporty styling of the hybrid trims and add a performance-inspired signature to the rear design. Pricing and which one to buy. The cost of the 2025 Honda CR-V begins at $31,450 and rises to $36,350, contingent on the trim and optional features. The CR-V LX, EX, and EXL are all powered by gasoline. The Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring models are exclusively equipped with a hybrid powertrain, which we highly recommend. Among the non-hybrid models, we would opt for the EXL due to its extensive list of standard features. It includes leather upholstery, a power-assisted tailgate, and a larger touchscreen, among other amenities. Engine, transmission, and performance. Behind the CR-V's sleek grille is a powerful 190 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It works in tandem with a continuously variable transmission and can be equipped with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on the model. This combination is standard on the LX, EX, and EXL trim levels. Every CR-V comes equipped with hill descent control, which helps to regulate the compact SUV's speed when descending steep or slippery hills at low speeds. Most models feature a set of 18-inch alloy wheels. While the CR-V may not offer the same level of handling excitement as the Mazda CX-50 or Volkswagen Tiguan, it provides a smooth and comfortable ride, avoiding the risk of being boring. 0 to 60 mph times. At our test track, the non-hybrid EXL took 8.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, which made it slightly sluggish for its class and a few ticks slower than the hybrid model. Additionally, the transmission caused the engine to make a noisy drone under hard acceleration, towing and payload capacity. The Honda CR-V is able to tow up to 1,500 pounds with the use of optional towing equipment, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. The CR-V's non-hybrid powertrain offers competitive fuel efficiency. The front-wheel drive model with the turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine has an EPA estimated fuel economy of 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Opting for all-wheel drive slightly reduces these figures. On our actual 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy test route, the all-wheel drive EXL model achieved 31 miles per gallon. For more details about the CR-V's fuel efficiency, please visit the EPA website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The CR-V's interior design is enhanced by a honeycomb textured insert that spans most of the dashboard, discreetly concealing the air vents. A partially digital gauge cluster frames the steering wheel, showcasing an analog speedometer and a 7.0-inch display that allows drivers to switch between different informational menus. According to Honda, the front seats have been designed to reduce driver fatigue during long trips, and the new CR-V's seating position has been improved. In between the front passengers, there is a spacious center console bin. Behind them, reclining back seats offer an additional 0.6 inches of rear legroom compared to the previous model. There are 39 cubic feet of cargo space available behind the second row, with the load floor adjusted to its lowest position. Infotainment and connectivity. The CR-V infotainment system features a 7.0-inch touchscreen display on the LX and EX trims. This setup includes physical volume and tuning controls, as well as support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The EXL model has a larger 9.0-inch display, which also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Although this larger screen does not include a tuning control, it does have a volume control that works with the built-in navigation system, as well as two USB-C ports for passengers in the rear seats and wireless smartphone charging. Safety and driver assistance features. Honda equips every CR-V with a wide range of standard driver assistance technologies. In addition to automated emergency braking, this compact SUV also comes with a driver attention monitor, lane keeping assist, and backseat reminder. For more information on the CR-V's crash test results, please visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. There's nothing particularly exceptional about the CR-V's warranty coverage. Both the limited and powertrain warranties offer comparable coverage periods to most competitors. However, Honda has started offering complimentary scheduled maintenance for 2024 and 2025 CR-V models with coverage for 1 year or 12,000 miles. The limited warranty covers the vehicle for 3 years or 36,000 miles, while the powertrain warranty lasts for 5 years or 60,000 miles. This includes free scheduled maintenance for the first year or 12,000 miles after purchase. Final thoughts on the 2025 Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V offers a premium driving experience with its luxurious interior and advanced technology. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider before making a purchase and standout features. Pros: limited cabin storage space for small items, which may be inconvenient for daily use. The hybrid powertrain can be noisy and struggles on hills, affecting overall driving performance. Cons: spacious interior with massive cargo capacity, perfect for long trips and family use. User-friendly tech features, ensuring a seamless and intuitive experience. Smooth and comfortable ride, making every journey more enjoyable. What do you think about the new Honda CR-V? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have more exciting videos on the latest car updates, reviews, and much more. Turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Hello, dear friends. Today, we would like to talk about the all-new 2025 Honda HR-V. This legendary SUV has been upgraded and improved in every way possible. Today, we will talk about the negative and positive sides of this car. Watch the video to the end so that be aware of these features. Let's take a closer look at all the exciting features of this new car together. 2025 Honda HR-V. The 2025 Honda HR-V offers many of the same practicalities and satisfactions as the company's popular CR-V in a smaller, more compact package. It has plenty of room inside and a pleasant interior with lots of storage options, as well as expected connectivity and driver assistance features. However, the main downsides are its slow 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and continuously variable automatic transmission, which make the HR-V one of the slower subcompact crossovers on the market. We hope that a more powerful hybrid model will be added to the lineup in the future, but for now, this powertrain limits the appeal of the HR-V for those who enjoy driving. If you're looking for more fun in your subcompact crossover, we recommend checking out the Mazda CX-30 or Hyundai Kona models. What's new for 2025? There are no major changes to the HR-V for 2025, except for a slight increase in price. Comfort. How comfortable is the HR-V? While the front seat cushions may seem shockingly stiff, they are actually quite comfortable. It's like sitting on a comfortable bench without any lumbar support adjustment. This is a surprising and disappointing feature, especially in a fully loaded test car like ours. While it's rare for us to find the rear seats more comfortable than the front seats, this holds true for the HR-V as well. Thankfully, things improve from here. The ride comfort is great. The HR-V filters out most road bumps, although it doesn't completely eliminate them. It does an admirable job of softening the bumps without being overly floaty or lacking body control. We appreciate how quiet the cabin is as well. The HR-V keeps road, wind, and ambient noise to a minimum, and if you don't push the engine for speed, you won't hear much from the powertrain. The climate control system had no issues with cooling the cabin, but for some reason, it maintained a temperature that was too cold for our tastes, regardless of the setting we chose. This may be due to the lack of rear air vents, which is another factor that affects the overall comfort of the HR-V. Captivating style. The HR-V is designed to excite. With its flowing lines and elegant finishing touches, such as slender LED headlights and 18-inch alloy wheels, this SUV offers an unmistakable premium aesthetic, sophisticated profile. The side view of the HR-V showcases a remarkably smooth roofline, which is precisely engineered using laser brazing, a joining technique that allows the roof and side panels to seamlessly merge. Front styling. A honeycomb grille forms the centerpiece of this eye-catching front end. The gently sloping body lines, angled headlights, and iconic Honda emblem all work together to create a stunning first impression wherever you are. Sport styling. The HR-V Sport elevates the sporty look with its bold 18-inch black wheels, a distinctive black grille, a matte black bumper, and distinctive branding. Spoiler. A sleek spoiler evokes the racing spirit of Honda and adds a sporty touch to its streamlined rear design. Available rear privacy glass helps keep items stored in the cargo area hidden from view. 17-inch alloy wheels. 17-inch alloy wheels perfectly complement the striking exterior, creating a dynamic look from every angle. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Honda HR-V ranges from $26,450 to $30,550, depending on the trim level and options. The Sport trim offers the best value, providing a bit more standard equipment than the base LX, but still under $30,000. We also like the look of the 18-inch black wheels. All-wheel drive is an additional $1,500, regardless of the trim, engine, transmission, and performance. While a hybrid version of the HR-V is available outside the United States, we only get one powertrain option here, a traditional gasoline 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower. This engine is also used as the base powertrain in the Civic sedan and hatchbacks, and while it may seem familiar, it feels especially sluggish in the larger, heavier HR-V. Because the HR-V shares its platform with the Civic, there is hope that a more powerful 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder or hybrid engine could be added to the lineup in the future. For now, the standard transmission is front-wheel drive with a continuously variable automatic transmission, but all-wheel drive is an available option on all trim levels, 0 to 60 mph times. The HR-V managed a sluggish 9.4-second launch to 60 miles per hour during our acceleration testing, which is over a full second slower than the more powerful Mazda CX-30 with a turbo engine. This lack of power is something you can notice every time you try to merge onto a highway or make a pass on a 2-lane road. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel economy estimates for front-wheel drive models are the highest, with ratings of 26 miles per gallon, MPG in the city, and 32 miles per hour on the highway. However, when it comes to all-wheel drive, the city rating drops to 25 miles per hour and the highway rating is 30 miles per hour. During our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy test route, an all-wheel drive HR-V achieved 32 miles per gallon, exceeding its EPA estimate by 2 miles per hour. We managed to drive 440 miles on a single tank of gas, thanks to its impressive fuel efficiency, interior, comfort, and cargo. The HR-V has a modern interior design that is inspired by the Civic, making it both classic and attractive. The front seats are comfortable and provide a wide range of adjustment options. While the cabin may seem somewhat unadorned at first glance, it is dotted with thoughtful details and well-placed storage compartments. Practicality is a major part of the appeal of the HR-V, as its cargo area was large enough to accommodate 7 carry-on suitcases during our testing. With the rear seats folded down, we were able to fit 22 suitcases in the trunk behind the front seat. Infotainment and connectivity. All models come with a 7.0 or 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The larger display also offers wireless connectivity for these features, but this is only available on the top-of-the-line EXL trim. Additionally, the EXL comes standard with a wireless smartphone charging pad, as well as Sirius XM satellite radio and Wi-Fi hotspots. Safety and driver assistance features. Honda offers a range of driver assist technologies in the HR-V, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance. For more information on the HR-V's safety ratings, please visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with assistance to stay in the lane, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Honda's standard warranty package is relatively basic, compared to rival SUVs like the Hyundai Kona and Kia Seltos, which offer much more extensive coverage. However, buyers of the Honda HR-V receive a complimentary 1-year maintenance plan, which is not offered by the Kia. The limited warranty covers the vehicle for 3 years or 36,000 miles, while the powertrain warranty lasts 5 years or 60,000 miles. In addition, the complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for the first year or up to 12,000 miles. Conclusion: 2025 Honda HR-V. With its redesigned exterior, improved engine options, advanced safety features, and spacious interior, the 2025 Honda HR-V is an affordable and powerful SUV. And now let's talk about negative and positive features. Positive features. 1. Roomy seating. 2. Easy to get in and out of. 3. Bigger cargo area than most other extra small SUVs. Negative features. 1. Slow acceleration. 2. Uncomfortable front seats. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts in the comments.